Hello everyone, thank you for being here. I love wandering through antique shops. There's no list of things I need to find, and no particular reason for being here. Beyond the fact that I enjoy it, antique shops are difficult to rush through anyway. Everything is tucked behind something else. The interesting pieces are rarely sitting neatly at eye level, waiting to be discovered. You have to look properly. You have to open the cupboard, move the stack of plates, and peer into the corner that everyone else has walked past. Sometimes I find something wonderful. Sometimes I leave with nothing. An enjoyable afternoon doesn't need to achieve anything. I'm beginning to think that slow living is found in ordinary decisions. It's taking a few extra minutes to look around. It's making something by hand when buying it would be quicker. It's sitting down while the kettle boils instead of using those 2 minutes to wipe the bench. It's allowing one thing to hold my attention. None of this comes naturally to me yet anymore. I still catch myself checking the time when I don't need to. I still turn enjoyable things into tasks, and then wonder why they no longer feel enjoyable. I still have days when everything is done in a hurry, simply because I've forgotten there is another way. But I'm learning. I'm learning that a slower life doesn't suddenly appear when life becomes less busy. It begins when I stop treating every moment as something to get through. Today, that looks like taking my time in an antique shop, coming home and baking something. Nothing remarkable has happened. I haven't transformed my life or mastered the art of living slowly. I've simply had an ordinary day without trying to race through it. And right now, that feels like enough. When I imagine a slower life, I imagine having more choice over the shape of my days. I want to wake up and feel that the day belongs to me, instead of finding that almost every hour has already been decided. I don't want to keep postponing my life until the weekend, the next holiday, or some distant point when I'm finally allowed to enjoy my own time. Perhaps slowing down won't look like a bold escape from the outside. I may still be teaching, still working, and still managing all the ordinary responsibilities of my life. But more than anything, I want enough time and energy left to enjoy the life I already have. Thanks for slowing down with me today.